Good. Achoo!
Achoo! What do you want, Mom?
Give me this. Hey, that's my doll. What? Come here, everyone. Come here.
Yeah.
Stupid kid.
So, what are you boys doing? We're just having a quiet game. A quiet game? I don't like that. Quiet game sucks. Seriously, if you could stop doing that again, I'm seriously gonna beat you.
I love you. What is that? Lightning McQueen?
Not my Lightning McQueen. Dad, stop breaking my car.
Yeah!
Beat it. Dude, this is crazy. I'm out of here.
Oh, yeah! Oh my god, good!
You're being so stupid, son. But I'm trying to have a quiet game.
Smack you! So dumb. I wish you were smart.
Yeah, you know you become a nerd and you become the most smartest person ever. Not just a loser bird in entire history.
Yeah! Go to sleep!
I can't sleep
What
on the
do you
floor.
mean? What do you mean? It's he can sleep on the floor. Plus, it's 9 p.m. Did I ask you to talk? You sleep on the floor right now!
But Mom, I'm just telling you.
Let me get the bowling ball.
Oh yeah, get the bowling ball. Get the bowling ball. Wait, what's a bowling ball? All right.
We'll see. Go.
Yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, spaghetti. A Pokemon cards? Really, baby? That was only a lot. Why would you do that?
Sorry, it was the only heavy thing ever.
What are you gonna say? Divorce all the time?
Divorce!
I know you're gonna say. Anyways, I'm gonna have my girlfriend Enderman.
Hey! Hey! What'd you say? Hey! Come here.
Wait, what? Why you sound
Wanna
like...
have a... What with your Enderman?
Nothing. I'm just gonna...
You want food?
Yeah. I want you to make me some french fries and burgers and chicken nuggets and everything. I want some junk food. Please. Come here. If you don't want to, I'm seriously going to beat the crap out of you. You got that? Good. And for the
Hey,
love
get
of
out of
God,
here, man.
get out of here. What's this car doing here?
Woo! Yeah, 4th of July!
4th of July, baby! Woo! Oh man, why my hair feels weird?
Hey, Blackbird, do you want some chicken nuggets and oil food and slushies and sugar?
Maybe that's kind of unhealthy.
What? I thought you love it.
Well, because I think I'm smart, and I think I should just like some salad with tomatoes, cucumbers, celery,
Wow,
and
Blackbird, wow.
yes, I want to lose some weight, just like you.
Well, what about Chuck E. Cheese? You wanna go?
I don't need this. I want a Subway for the delicious food that I want. I want some good, delicious salad with a bowl on it.
So, do you want to annoy me?
No, I don't have to annoy you.
Wow! What is 5 million plus 5 million? 3
It's 5 you can 10
I don't even know if that's right. Wow, I gotta tell Whitebird!
Yeah, you should just tell this.
Oh, you smart? Oh! Hi, Blackbird!
Hello, mother.
Are you gonna sneak out again?
No, because I don't have to sneak. If
Okay,
I sneak,
okay, just go to your room
then I'm gonna be in trouble. Blackbird! What are you doing? Hello, father. Don't hello, father me. What's going on here? I heard that Chef Donald Duck says, I think you're smart. Why are you so smart, man? Because I was having a great smart idea. And, so, what do you think of the Earth? Is the Earth flat? Yeah? Incorrect. The Earth is round. I should have taken the science test when I was young. Blackbird, wait. Are you smart? Absolutely. Certainly and positive. I am so smart. Oh my god. My son is a genius. I'm gonna tell my brother about this. Oh yeah, hey, Uncle Red. You won't
Hey,
believe
no
this.
4-1 go care about that boy.
Yeah, you won't believe what
Nah,
Blackbird's
man,
doing.
I'm leaving, bro. Divorce! Hey, shut the fuck up, man.
I guess that means I'm
Hey,
having...
little Nick. Hey, just go play my video game. I'm gonna go do something.
Video games are bad. Father. What a coincidence. He wouldn't say anything. Wonderful. How scrumptious I am. That must be at the door. Hello, my academic international teacher. What are you doing in here? First of all, I'm not your teacher. I'm your principal. I gotta say, you have passed 2nd grade, so that means you don't have to go to summer school. So, you look smart. Why I'm smart. See, I am most greatest smart because I have brushed everything I have. And yeah, this means you're smart and you can go to school, but do you like school? Yes. Oh my god, you're so smart. Hold on, I'm getting my phone. Okay. Hey, Mr. Ted, he finally passed 2nd grade. Wait, really? He did?
Hey, it says he skipped 3rd and 4th grade too.
Holy moly, that sounds great. Blackbird is so genius. Yeah, I'm gonna record you. Hey, Blackbird, do you think what is 2 plus 2? 4. Oh my god. What is 6 times 1? 6. Holy moly. How many times does 3 go into 9? You're going to just say anything? The answer will be 3. Oh, baby, exactly. I'm gonna tell Mr. Ted about this. I will go to video. Oh yeah. Thanks, Blackbird. Have a nice day. Why, certainly. Now I'm going to tell my friends about this.
Blackbird, I got a call from the principal. He said you passed 5th and 6th grade and now you're going to middle school.
Positive, Chef Donald Duck. Or should I say,
Oh, I'm getting another message.
Chef Dylan Duck.
How did you know my name?
Well, your greatest name is Chef Dylan Duck.
Okay.
Make me some greatest ravioli, spaghetti. With
I cannot make that. I
meatballs.
can make ooh, you mean mac and cheese?
No. I want spaghetti with meatballs, please.
What? Come on, Blackbird. I'm not rich.
Now, who could that be at the door? That must be my friends.
Okay.
Salutations, my acquaintances. Dude, why are you so smart?
Actually, it's an acquaintances, you stupid idiot.
What? Yeah, you're stupid. You don't know how to do it. Actually, guys, all of you must stupid because I'm smart.
What did you just say?
Well, I have no...
You're not smart.
Yes, I am.
You think the earth is flat?
No.
No? Guys, you
Dude,
said no.
why you say no? The earth is flat. Well, what do you think?
It's stupid. It's round. Anyways, Blackbird, are you smart now?
Yes.
Nice.
Look at my wonderful...
You're not hot anymore.
I'm not hot.
Guys, I'm out of here. He's not hot anymore, man.
You two, follow me, please. Okay. We must acquire some sustenance. What do you mean? What? Well, I don't understand what you're saying, Blackbird.
Actually, it's sustenance. Stupid.
How about you get out of my house?
Why?
Because I'm smarter and you're smart.
What?
I'm
obviously smarter. What is one of those?
It's... Oh my god! Does that mean it's correct? Positive.
I'm out of here.
Oh my god. You're smart! That means you become the most genius bird ever. Positive. Well, I'm out of here, dude. How awesome those both friends are. They're being so gentle. 5 hours later. Sorry about earlier, dude. You wanna play toys? Toys are for babies. Can we play video games? Video games are too violent. Okay, well, how about we can eat some junk food? They're unhealthy. Can I have some macaroni and cheese? There are only raviolis in this kitchen. Well, how about, you know what, Blackbird? I'm getting real tired of this. You're being so smart, you're using a stupid pencil, you look like a dork. I'm a dork. Yeah, you're stupid. Dorks is a bad word. What? Dork is not a bad word,
Guys,
dude.
does this mean I'm not a nerd anymore?
You're
Wanna
smart.
hang out at my house?
You
Shut
can-
up, nerd. Come on, guys, let's hang out at my house. I'm not a nerd. He's a nerd. Yeah, let's go. Stupid
Yeah,
kid.
dude, you're stupid. You should not throw books at me. But because you look stupid and you're
Come
dumb.
on, guys. He's such a nerd. Hurry up.
Yeah,
Get
yes,
in my
yeah.
car.
Woo, yes, a car. How come Spoonman has a car?
Because I drink and drive and get inches.
Did you steal it?
Nerd.
Yeah, you steal it. Hey, Chef Dylan, Duck, you have some more ravioli?
That's not Dylan. No, we only have mac and cheese.
That's unhealthy. Makes
Not
spaghetti.
unhealthy. Stop.
Then how come you have? How come mac and cheese is healthy or unhealthy, or it is pasta?
Come on. It's healthy, man. You love mac and cheese.
Do you think
We don't
mac
have
and
any-
cheese is pasta for macaroni?
Yes.
Macaroni is pasta.
Okay. Jesus Christ.
What's this? A Pokemon card? Hey, Blackbird, don't touch my Pokemon cards! Who said that? Blackbird, we need to talk. What is it? Those Pokemon cards are for my best friend, Brownbird. Who's Brownbird? Well, he's cool and he's, young and, I don't know.
Listen, folk, can you help me?
I can do
What
it.
is my name? I don't know what my name is.
Your name is Uncle Red.
What? My name's Uncle Red?
Yeah, but he calls you Dad all the time.
Yeah, man. How do you spell out my name? How do you spell Uncle Red?
UNCLE space RED.
What is a space? What is a RED? Man, this is too hard, man.
Blackbird, this is not a spelling bee. There's something going on with you. Why are you so smart? Why are you being so dumb anyway? And why are you holding this stupid pencil? Are you stupid? Are you being an idiot? You're a dork and anything I can poke your eye to it? You can wear glasses? Yes, Mother?
Oh, wow, you haven't sneaked out the house? Anyways, Blackbird, it's time for your chores.
Yes, I love chores. What do you have?
What?
Mother?
You have chores?
You said chores. Dishes, clothes, and more. What? Blackbird, why are you so smart anyway?
What? He likes chores.
Oh my god.
Baby, what do we do?
Ah,
He likes chores.
I'll tell you later.
Can he go clean the entire house?
Certainly.
You want money?
Yes. I'm gonna clean this
No. Oh, okay.
and clean everything up.
Wow. That's amazing.
Everything here is done.
Wow! Redbird, I never want to divorce you ever again.
Oh, thank you so much, baby. Kissing is bad. Come on.
Excuse me?
Well, you know, you have to hug each other.
Why?
I don't want to touch her stupid white fur because it's gross.
Okay, we're getting divorced.
After this, we're getting a divorce.
Anyways, what'd you say?
Well,
Divorce.
divorce. No. How about JK? You can kiss now. What?
What? What does JK mean?
JK means
That means that's no more cheating. That means
JK means just cool divorce.
just kidding. Ow!
just kidding.
Oh, baby, you look so hot today. You sure is. It's so cool today, and I love you. Oh, baby, I love you too. You look so good. What are you doing? Blackbeard, what are you doing in here? I told you to go to your room. Or do some smart things. That's it. I am suing you with my mother, Mrs. Whitebird, or should I say, Mrs. Divorce.
Hey!
Yep, you're getting a divorce. Come with me. Come. I love you, sweetie.
Kiss me all you want.
Okay, that's funky weird, dude.
No.
Hello.
And what are you doing? I thought you were going to work. Well, listen here, smarty pants. I don't want to go to work because it's stupid and it's bullcrap and stuff. I don't want to go to work because I don't want my stupid stick figure boss doing this to me, and I hate it so much. You look crazy and you're ugly and dumb. Oh, walk away. He doesn't want to talk to me. I'm going to call his boss, and that means Enderman's going to be fired. Hello, what's this? Well, as you can see, Enderman skipped work. Oh, she's fired! Blackbird, how could you do this to me? You make my wife ran away. I got divorced thanks to you, you idiot. Now I'm going home.
I didn't run away.
That means I'm kicking out of the house again.
Yep, get out. Get out. Give me give me $5,000.
I can't give you $5,000.
Give me $5,000.
Well, if you were cheating all the time, then you would actually go to work and do this stuff, and you would have a fucking fun!
I can't.
Get out of here! Get out!
What do you think about that, Mother?
Disgusting.
What do you mean, disgusting? I thought you left me, Mother.
I hate you.
Guys, what are we going to do now? How do we stop Blackbird?
We should just kidnap him.
That's not a good idea. Maybe Spider-Man is good.
We should think him.
No, that's not. What about Ken? But he's a doll!
Can't
He's
you
just,
think him?
he's just a doll, dude. Okay, now it's up.
How about we should,
Guys, I got an idea.
what is it?
We're gonna make a fake library, and Blackbeard's gonna come, and then he's going to do
We'll
something
trap
stupid.
him inside, and then the police are gonna come, and
Oh yeah, they're gonna beat him up and
he'll become dumb again.
Yeah, he's gonna.
Yo!
That's awesome, dude!
Okay, gun. Done. Let's go hide. Let's go.
Who's
Let's
here?
go.
Oh look, this is the library. Oh look, it's the new door.
Go!
Do it! Do it!
Come on, everybody.
Come on.
Okay, I'll go call the police.
Go to police, dude. Go to police. Oh my gosh, but this is gonna be so funny. So epic, dude. Oh my god.
He's right here, guys.
Yeah, dude, he's right here.
Okay, so where's this criminal? Yep.
Here we go.
Just. Shit! Get him down! Get him down!
Get him, dude. Let's get out.
Sir, I need you to get away. Oh, okay. I'm hungry though. Get away. Sir, you're under arrest.
What did I do, sir?
You selling drugs?
No.
Yeah, he's selling drugs.
No.
Okay, we're putting you under arrest. Come on, beat him up.
Dude, this is epic. Let's record a video. Oh my god. Dude, I'm recording it. Oh my god.
Get in.
Who are you people? What happened? What's going on?
What do you mean? What's going on?
What the? Why is my voice coming back? Wait a minute. Am I another dimension?
What?
What? Oh my god.
There he is. Blackbird, come here, you smart boy.
Ma'am, he's not smart. What do you mean?
What?
Uh.
Oh no. He's dumb again.
Oh.
That was so weird. Anyways, kid, get out of here.
I cannot believe this is happening.
I hate you. I hate you. Get out of here. Go to your room.
Hey, Blackbird. Are you smart? Can you say anything? Dad, I'm dumb. Oh yeah, now you're dumb. So, what is times 6? Oh yeah, you think you're going to be so smart? No, you're not. See you later around, Blackbird. More like stupid black dirt bird. Who could that be? It's gonna be my friends. Hello. Congratulations, Blackbird. You're now in the college again. So, what is times? Oh no, I don't know how to do this. What's that? Nothing. I was just smart. What happened to your hair? Oh, it's the answer will be 687-321. Oh my god, Blackbird, that's incorrect. I'm sorry to say this, but you're going back to 2nd grade. No! Dang you, police officers.
So how does it feel, Blackbird?
Bye.
Come on, guys. Let's talk to him.
What do you think about this, Blackbird? How do you think about that? Guys, did you do this to me?
Yep.
Yes, we did. Because we're sick and tired of you being smart all the time. Even though Spoonman's smart.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Okay, anyway. So, dude, so you cannot be smart again, okay? Okay. I don't want to be so dumb. Me too, dude. I don't want to be dumb. Like, if we can come back to school on August or September. Well, don't worry, guys. It's coronavirus, and we should do online school from round 2. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, man. So, do you want to do the quiet game? Okay, let's do it. Achoo! Achoo!